This is the crystalline structure demonstration. The frame contains, in a single layer, 10,000 stainless steel balls in free motion. When the object is moved, the metal balls, like atoms under stress, carry the transferred energy to their limit of elasticity and magically reorganize their structure. Its quick random patterns demonstrate the unbelievable yet existing accidents of nature. When the light passes through, it really amplifies the defects caused by the stacking of the individual balls, and to prefer an ideal hexagonal stacking form when the container is slowly tilted. But the stacking originates at a few locations simultaneously, which mimics the forming of crystals in a solidifying metal, where the hexagonal stacking crystals meet each other. A boundary forms due to some of the stacking forming on the slight angles of each other. The slower the process is performed, the larger each of the crystal grow, just like the various speeds of cooling down.